Down in the streets,
yeah,
they call it murder.
Welcome to Jamrock. Jam for the youths, them jackpot.
That
Go now in a one buck. Put it in your handbag. You're not stuck it in your backpack. Style like your girlfriend comfort.
Bumper clock.
Happy holidays, everybody.
They don't know you.
They will know me in the end.
What's poppin' with the Creek Entertainment? Y'all back with your boy Baby Bruh and the crew once again, guys, and I am tired. Happy holidays to y'all out there, you feel me? If nobody else told y'all, man, this is coming to y'all on Thanksgiving Day, right?
Yep.
Didn't have none of my clothes packed, guys, so now I got this big dumb suitcase. They said to pack like it's the summertime, so everything I got up in here is basically like shorts. I got one pair of jeans, a lot of t-shirts and stuff like that, 2 pair of shoes. Then I just huh?
Ain't got no slacks to wear to the club?
Some slacks.
Some slacks, yes.
They got clubs in Jamaica?
You think they ain't?
Man, we going to the block. We going to the club. We pulling up to the block where they got the jerk chicken at. That's where the club's at.
You going with your cousins. You like to be anywhere.
That's all I got. Everything is packed up.
Well.
You feel me? I got my Walmart luggage.
Kim J, what did he? Just my friend Marissa. Okay. Yeah, we like all the friends right now. We need your boarding pass to check in. Yeah. On your phone, right?
I just want the yacht with the jet ski.
Update, crew members. We not at the airport. We at the place. We have to park our. We have to go. Okay. So yeah, like I was saying, guys, we are on our way to the airport, man. You understand me? We just parked.
I'm flying on United, and I'm flying American. He's flying
United.
United.
Yeah, United Airlines.
When the money come, that's when they changing up. Before we had the money, they was hating on us. Feeling like I'm all alone, how they switching up. Dark clouds over.
How much is it?
$21.40.
Okay. $20, huh? A little low that and that. Okay, my Apple Pay. Crew members, what's poppin', man? Current update. Your boy is in Chicago at the O'Hara Airport, man. Let me tell y'all about the O'Hara Airport, man. They got some of the best, some of the cleanest bathrooms, bro. No cap. I just went in that thing. Right. But yeah, guys, we currently in Chicago, man. As y'all know, man, I had to drop Coco off in Bakersfield when we was in California, man. So I drove 8 hours there and 8 hours back to the house, man, to catch this flight, guys. So I was tired as hell, you feel me? Next stop is Jamaica, guys. You feel me? We still turning up. Still big turn up, man, you feel me? First time flying out the country, and then my first time being in Jamaica, guys. So you feel me? Jamaica is up, man. My flight actually leave. Let me see when my flight leave. So it is currently 5:58, about to be 6 o'clock. My flight leave in 2.5 hours. So just wanted to be able to give y'all an update, man. You feel me? I'm in Chicago right now. This is my layover, and then from Chicago we shooting. Thank you, my man. Some rum punch.
You have to start the vacation, man.
Ooh, turn up. Dang. Hey, man, this my people's on another level, boy. I ain't never seen this many of my people out here, man, running shit on the goose. Rum punch.
I said, oh, this is baby time.
Look at the bus he pulled up. Look how they, boy. This remind me of my home, man. You feel me? West Africa on the goose. Jamaica, man. We is in we in Montego Bay.
I don't drink. Man.
This is Montego Bay we at, y'all. No cap. It's hot too, y'all. It's hot, man. It's about 85, 90 degrees outside, boy. And I got on sweats, leaving the bay. This is crazy, though.
It almost looks like
Dang, that's crazy. Just got out the airport. I got a bar over there. Alright guys, so just got here, man. We chilling right now. This is crazy. I'm gonna get back at y'all when we head on our way to the resort, you feel me? Birthday girl in the building once again.
Birthday girl, big 2-4, you feel me?
Hey,
You got your 2-3s, you feel me?
Hey, you better go find your friend, no cap.
I know, she's missing. Y'all, she done got stole at the Jamaica airport.
Oh!
We ain't never to see this whole again.
Yeah, how the goose.
No, she really got fucking stolen.
So my man right here told me I can get up front, open the door for him, man, and show him. I'm finna hop on the other side. Oh,
So this
shit,
is
where the
his
steering
seat.
wheel at? Over there?
Over there.
They got the steering wheel on the other side, y'all. This is beyond me.
I'm gonna go around and come back.
Okay,
Yeah, I cannot park here too long.
okay, I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna hop in with y'all. This is crazy. I think I'm too big for this country. Why the fuck I'm so tight up?
Mine is
Or maybe it's too
He got a
tight.
nice chain.
shit on mine.
He got a big chain.
They
Oh, he got a big Benz.
messed up because somebody
Top shutter.
the wrong
Dandada.
passport number.
Some gigolo.
That's a gigolo. Gigolo, spinning lots of dough. We in Montego Bay.
So, here.
It's so many of our people, man. So many black Africans out here, man. That's crazy.
Crazy.
It's nice though to see, like, you know, our people, man.
So wait, she doesn't have a number? What's her number?
It's your phone number.
Look at our people, man. Our people really out here, man. Jamaica, you feel me? Doing it.
Alright, what she look like?
You feel me?
Light skin, she has long braids, and she's wearing her glasses.
Like I said, guys, I'm gonna come back at y'all, man, when I got some more footage, man. I just want to be able to show y'all that, man. You feel me? Of my first experience coming out of the airport, Montego Bay. You
Yeah,
feel
man.
me? With the top shot of Dandada
Top shutter than that.
on the goose.
They call me Skinny Max, but I'm O'Brien.
Y'all heard me. Mad Max, man.
Mad Max. Well, it's a villa, it's not a hotel.
That's how they drive out here, Tawana. You wasn't lying.
Ocean view.
I'm finna get the fuck
But it's close by to me. But listen, let me call you back in a little bit. I'm doing a pickup at the moment. Just hold on to
This
that.
shit is crazy, y'all.
And I don't know how it is, but I make it so often I know how to make it.
Tell them motherfuckers to get out the way. Get out the way, man.
I thought you said you want some weed.
No weed.
You want weed?
No weed, man. Me don't smoke, man.
The herb give thanks and praise. You make me think constructive and brave. It was found on King Solomon's grave. Him are the wisest man in his days.
Hey.
I'm serious, me nah make no joke. Ganja me smoke and not coke.
Huh.
I me never drink the rum.
Damn, they tripping.
Hello? Yo.
They tripping.
She called me, but she not come to me yet.
Hey, man.
Yeah.
To back up.
I can't do like.
He says you can't block.
What do you mean if you go back? I pick up, you know, you mean if you go back?
We in the car with Mad Max, man. Jamad Max.
Oh, driver, imagine. In the commode, I mean, they go park. And imagine, man, say, I can't block a bit. Let's see, black one, sir.
Black bomber club, black me as man go on all over, man. Love my blood.
No, black one, sir.
When they black me
All peace, man.
Right. O'Brien, why they be hating on you like that?
They do be.
Hey. Shine for real.
He putting on the wrong to Jamaica clock, man. Oh, they good. Oh, what's your friend? We turned up.
O'Brien is out here arguing. Yeah, they mad.
They finna smoke his ass.
They hating on O'Brien.
Tawana, drive.
He needs some back.
O'Brien got good service. And then I got to O'Brien that came and did 4 pickups and they ain't getting shit. That's what it is.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I've been knowing O'Brien since I was 26 years old.
Jamaica clock, man.
You gonna hear her?
Yeah, I'm a big dog, man. Your big dog's right up front, man. Come on, man. Down in the streets,
Yeah,
they
man.
call it murder.
Welcome to Jamrock. Jam for the youths, them jackpot.
That's
Go now, in a van bag. In your handbag, you're not stuck it in your backpack. Style like your girlfriend comfort.
Bumper clock. Down in the streets, they call it murder. Your boy, man.
Alright, so you guys want jerk chicken, right?
Wait, no, we gonna eat at the resort. That's okay.
Okay, alright. I'm gonna switch vehicles now. Listen, guys.
We'll get jerk chicken on the street. Believe me, while we're here. But
Yeah, man, no worries. I got that part.
Bruh, why is they really driving on the other side of the street,
When I come on the dual, the toll road.
This shit is hard, y'all.
When I pass,
Look how hard this shit is,
when I come
bruh.
past Hilton, I come down. I just go for and bus stop and park. Yeah.
Damn, look how hard this shit is, y'all. They driving on the other side of the, you feel me? That's hard. So Jamaica is 100% African descent.
Why not?
Look how close he getting to that car. Look how.
Guys, I'm fucking around. Because I'm doing it.
Man, he gotta chill. Really?
Yeah, look how he on that truck. On that.
Get behind him, O'Brien. There's something in my eye.
This shit is crazy.
You know I drive those, so I know everything about it.
Ah, look at little fella. Looking like Lil Wayne out there on the block. Oh, Jesus, you driving fast, Mom, too, Lord. Take the wheel.
So $145 Jamaican dollars is $1 American.
What?
Wait, did you change money at the airport?
Oh, hell no.
I told her not to, and she did
Fuck
anyway.
you. Yeah, how much did you change?
I only got $50.
How much did you give them? How much did you give them for that? And how much did they give you?
This is like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000,
Let me see the money, cousin.
6,100.
They got over on her?
Yo, man, there, fuck you.
See?
I'm sorry, best friend. What happened?
You should get 7,000.
I was gonna get some too.
You should get 7,250.
Oh, I'm going back. Oh, like one of the
They charge you a fee, that's why.
Cousin, let me see your money.
You said that. Man. You know, right? I saw the exact.
They fucked her, man? On the money?
That's like 130 something.
Money right there was $2. She was like, my $50.
Can I see that money real quick? Let me see that Monopoly money.
It's real money.
She say it's real. Damn, y'all, look at Jamaica money.
I got $1,000.
They played my cousin, man.
I just wanted that to take home for us. But I'm taking that home.
Who is this white man?
Go to like one of the shops or a restaurant.
Fucking you.
Cocky no play. Me broke your back. When you're calling around and shop.
Me we quint it up 2 times and pop your cock.
When you're coming around and shop. Me we make you run out of me house. In a half a frack. When you're coming around and shop.
Yeah.
I don't even have my lashes on. It's a birthday cruise.
You saw like the Rugrat twins? Hit your damn, let me see, hit the Dougie. Alright, so check this out, y'all. So we in the resort, guys. Look what we got. We got jerk wings.
Yeah.
Woo.
Vegetable custard, yeah. We have fish.
Yeah, we tasted all that already before. We came for them wings though.
Okay.
We came for them wings.
Hold on, cousin. Don't be looking up over here though, cause this
It's the
right here.
cooler, bro. Come on now.
This a personal. This
Hey,
right
that
here.
look homemade.
Yeah,
To
this.
the teeth.
Hold on, let me
You can't
try
get that
it.
out of Walmart. Ooh, you can't get that out of Walmart. Yeah, huh? Ooh. Ooh, okay. Vegetable ravioli and a vegetable quesadilla. Straight from the block. Good, but you probably got to get used to it. Yeah, very good.
She said, no more.
You feel me?
You see, you love that.
Yeah, it tastes like home, West Africa. Wings, yeah.
Don't. Please.
You know I'm from Africa. Quit playing.
So you said you want anything to drink?
You ain't gonna work?
They should have a washing. Yeah. Oh, what? Them go crazy. Them different because you can't get that season in Sac Walmart.
He killing me with the Walmart shit.
You cannot get that. So I don't like it. You like it? She get on my nerves. I don't like nothing. It's all right.
I like it.
Is it? Well, y'all got to take me to the street ones then.
Yeah, but you can bring take the dirt on it. It's more grease.
I just see black sauce on everything.
It tastes good to be good.
Guys, this is like my 5th plate of wings. They good, man. You made the wings? You didn't make the wings? Yeah. Jerk wings in Jamaica. They making fun of me, y'all, for eating all the wings.
All that greenery.
Oh yeah. The jerk cut.
Okay, that's how.
Hey, cousin turned up. That's good. What you selling, my man? What you got, brother?
Selling bracelet, yeah?
Oh, bracelets?
Yeah. Bracelet.
Fuck.
There you go.
Boo. What's wrong with him?
It's good. It got a little sorbet in it.
Ooh. How it taste?
Look, it got a little sorbet in it.
Ooh.
Yes.
There you go.
I don't know what this is, but it's bomb.
Yes, sirski. Oh, look, she got the paintings going on right here.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh no.
Wow.
Or was it plastic?
Beautiful. I like that one in the middle. That one dope. Dang. Yes, sir.
Bargains, man. Real bargains.
Beautiful. How much for the turtles?
Which one? These ones?
Mm-hmm.
Like $10.
$10?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
And it says Jamaica right here, man.
Nice. You know, I'm from West Africa.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm from Nigeria, man.
Alright, man. Yeah, man.
You know, motherland.
Meet a lot of Nigerian all the time.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Some of them came on the ship.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Get the rest of this stuff.
Yeah, man. I like Nigerian people.
We all connected.
Of course. Of course.
We all connected, brother.
Yeah, man.